This is Acer's new 2020 edition Predator Helios 300, and here's a quick unboxing of the same. It comes in sleek looking packaging with Predator branding, and the laptop is housed in this nice felt cloth. Quickly removing it gives us a look at the machine, whose design is largely familiar with the Predator logo and the blue accents. The finish of the laptop is also this matte finish, but attracts a lot of smudges, as you can already tell. Plus, at 2.2 kilograms, the laptop is on the heavier side for sure. However, build quality wise, it's excellent. Inside too, we get that same material finish and a pretty familiar looking backlit customizable keyboard and trackpad experience with Windows Precision drivers. The Intel Core i7-10750H clocked at 2.6 GHz of course is the biggest jump here, and it's coupled with NVIDIA's RTX 2060 graphics card and 20 GB of RAM on this unit. DTS audio is also something that's got us excited with the laptop's dual stereo speakers. Rounding up, there's also dedicated turbo boost if required, and there's a button for it in true Acer style, which can boost your processor up to 5.0 GHz if required. Of course, being a gaming laptop, you get some incredible venting off to the back, where you also find the power port. It's a 59 Wh battery on this machine, and the charging brick's dimensions are also pretty big. They scream gaming of course, but that's a sacrifice that all of us have to make with a machine of this caliber. Alongside more venting, the right houses a mini DisplayPort 1.4, an HDMI 2.0 port, a Type A USB 3.2 port, and a Type C USB 3.2 port for up to 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds and 15 watt USB charging, a welcome feature. On the left, there's a standard Ethernet port, two Type A USB 3.1 ports, a Kensington lock, and a microphone/headphone jack combo, although for hardcore gamers a separate microphone and audio input would have been preferred. One notable omission is the SD card slot, which could be a slight inconvenience for creatives who might want to pick this thing up. As we've mentioned, this thing is built like a tank, and we'll go more in depth in the full review, but everything just has a nice bit of polish to it. There's also support for gripping on a surface, for example. Just a body that attracted less fingerprints would have been perfect, and maybe some sort of fingerprint authentication, but really, you can't have everything. Okay, let's get this thing started, and you've gotta hear the startup sound. We think it's pretty cool, and of course, you probably see we've got a 15.6-inch Full HD display on this laptop. It's an IPS panel equipped with a 144Hz refresh rate and a 3 millisecond response time, but the 300 nit brightness is a bit on the lower side when it comes to gaming and just day-to-day usage. We're planning on testing multimedia and a lot of games on this thing though, so stay tuned for a full review. Video editing and basically high-end processing is also something that should challenge this laptop and push its internals. We've also got Acer's optimisations here, so that should all come in handy with the power on board and help us assess how the laptop handles performance and temperatures when it comes to day-to-day loads. That's all for this quick look though. Thanks for watching this one, and subscribe for more videos. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.